Civil Code of the Philippines, 2024, in Business. Foreign Investments Act regulates foreign investment in the Philippines. Philippine Competition Act promotes fair competition in the market.
Okay, thank you. So these are the general and foundational laws in business. You have the revised Corporation Code of the Philippines. Okay. Then we have the Civil Code of the Philippines. The foreign Investments Act, which invites investors from we have the direct investment and portfolio investment. Man. Ano itong direct investment?
Malamang talaga dahil sa mga
Tapos ano ginagawa? Yung portfolio, wala sila. Lalagay nila yung dollars nila just to get interest of your money. Yun ang ginagawa nila. Yan ang tawag natin portfolio investment. Now, does it contribute to the economy? Yes, it contributes to the economy. However, portfolio investment, no, hindi siya magtatagal. Bakit? Bangko, deposito ko ng pera sa bangko, anytime pwede mo ma-withdraw. Ganun din ang portfolio investment. Okay? Hindi siya nagtatagal. So, ang in the Philippines, warehouse. Saan natin ginagamit yung dolyar na kita ng gobyerno sa mga OFW sa limbawa? Dapat, gamit natin yan pambayad sa ating mga utang. Ganun siya? Na, masama bang mangutang? Ulit yung tanong ha, masama bang mangutang? Yes or no?
Yes.
Masama ang mangutang? Yes. Sino sa inyo dito walang utang? Dahil masama ang utang. Ha? Kung kita nyo, konti lang yung taas ng kamay. Ibig sabihin, marami talaga nangungutang. Diba? Marami talaga nangungutang. Na, ang tanong, masama ba?
Yes.
Sabi nyo,